Hey, what up guys? Welcome back to 21 Moto. In this video we're gonna do the install of the zoom loop exhaust in the 2025 Honda Grom ABS. Let's do that right now. Let's see how much the exhaust and everything weighs. So it looks like we just need to take off this 12mm right here, the two bolts that hold the header in place, the flange. I'm going to leave that in place so it doesn't just drop out when I loosen the rest of the bolts. Alright, next let's do these header flange bolts. Flange loose. Okay, now let's get that back bolt out. Alright, let's weigh the stock exhaust. The stock exhaust and header weighs 7.2 pounds. So we took off, what, 2.1 pounds? Crazy. Alright, let's put together this exhaust. I haven't even looked at the instructions, but I'm just going to go by feel. Looks like there's a plus sign here and a minus sign here. You know what they say, opposites attract, so let's assume that's the way it goes. I'm not going to put it too tight. And then this other end will only fit that side, so that's probably where it goes here. There's the only other place where a spring would fit. I'm not going to push all the way through yet, so that's the header built pretty much. No springs yet because I want it to be loose so I can figure out how it's going to fit on the bike. It came with its own, it did not come with its own nuts, but it did come with its own flange. Okay, so let's address the baffle. It comes with a baffle to mute the sound a little bit. It's really pretty easy to take out. It's a 10 size bolt. I'm gonna leave it in, run it for the first week with the baffle in there, see how I like it. And if it's not loud enough for me, I'll take it out. I don't want to deform the pipe. Just enough so it doesn't rattle. Next, we're gonna put the actual slip on. I'm assuming it's gonna be like this. Again, I'm not tightening it at all anywhere yet. It's kind of loose until we figure out exactly how it's gonna sit on the bike. Before we go to the bike, this is the bolt it came with. An Allen wrench and a locking nut on the other side. So this is the bolt we're gonna use up here. Okay. All right, let's go to the bike. Start the bolts a little bit. There it is. Okay, leave that a little bit loose for now. And let's fix the rest of the back. So this one, it looks like the bolt back here, the one that comes with the zoom exhaust, is a 13 size bolt. Looks like the socket won't fit because the header has a little bit of a bulge. So we're gonna use a little wrench. We're gonna use this 12 And I almost forgot to tighten this bolt right here for the slip-on. So I think it's also a 10. We got the bolts for the header done. We got the bolt that connects to the frame under the engine. We got the bolt that tightens the slip-on to the header. And we got the slip-on connected to the frame where like the foot pegs are. So the only thing left to do now is to put on these springs. So make sure you wear eye protection in case the spring pops off and you don't want it hitting your eyeball. It seems that people use needle nose. I'm not sure if it's even necessary, so I'm just gonna try it with my hand. Yeah, I can do this with my hand. Boom, there's one. So this goes from here. Yeah, oop, there goes a little bit of my glove. There we go. So these are actually, you can do these by hand. Very doable. So last place you want stained, right? There it is, zoom loop exhaust installed on a 2025 Honda Grom ABS. Oh man, stoked.